Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fountain of youth right from your breakfast table. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the top 3 anti-aging fruits to kickstart your day and keep that youthful glow intact. So grab your favorite fruit bowl and let's delve into nature's secret to staying young. First up on our list is a tiny powerhouse bursting with antioxidants, blueberries. These little blue gems are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and nutrients that fight off those pesky free radicals. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which not only give them their vibrant hue but also help improve brain function and memory. Whether you sprinkle them over your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them on their own, blueberries are a must-have for your anti-aging arsenal. Next, let's talk about the fuzzy green fruit that's a skincare hero, kiwi. Loaded with vitamin C, E, and antioxidants, kiwi promotes collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. The high fiber content in kiwi also aids digestion, ensuring you start your day feeling light and energized. Incorporate kiwi slices into your morning routine or whip up a refreshing kiwi smoothie for a burst of tropical flavor and skin-loving nutrients. Last but not least, we have the jewel-like fruit that's been prized for centuries, pomegranate. These ruby red seeds are packed with punicogens, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage and wrinkles. Pomegranates are also known to promote heart health and lower blood pressure, making them an essential addition to your breakfast lineup. Add a handful of pomegranate seeds to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads to enjoy their anti-aging benefits and elevate your breakfast game. So there you have it, folks, blueberries, kiwi, and pomegranate. The ultimate trifecta for a youthful glow from within. Incorporate these antioxidant-rich fruits into your breakfast routine and watch as your skin thanks you for the nourishment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and radiant. Until next time, stay young, stay vibrant naturally.